If you see this problem in Android Studio, to fix more issue, AAR metadata exception in Android Studio. Okay, people go Android Studio. This problem you saw. What is its reason? Its main reason is go to Tools, SDK Manager. Okay, here you see I use here 30 compiler SDK 30, but in here my compiler SDK 30 not install it. If you want to use 30, so simply click it and apply it and click it OK and install it. Then build clean project, then click rebuild project. Okay, then click run and your project problem be solved. But I suggest you, if you here my SDK already installed. What SDK my installed? Tools, build, tools, SDK manager. And SDK 34 already my 34 already installed. So I click 34. Okay. As your choice, you also click 32. So or 33 SDK manager. Simply click here 33 and apply and OK. Then install it. Then you change it. 33, change it 33 and sync it and then run. Okay, but my SDK already 34 are selected, so I selected 34. It is the main problem in Android Studio. Okay, compiler SDK, compiler target SDK. Okay, to change it and try it. Okay, then I click simply sync now. Sometime it takes some time. Gradle project syncing project. It takes some time to build it. So be patient and wait. Okay, Gradle is syncing. You see, syncing is proceeding. So wait some time. Sometime your emulator not support this SDK. Okay, so I suggest you, if you change it and your SDK not run your previous emulator, so create a device Pixel 2. Click it, next. Then if you want to download SDK 31. Okay, 30 API 31. Okay. If you want to 32, then click it and download it and take some time. Then click next. Okay. Next, click it, click next, finished. Okay, your problem definitely solved. You see my Gradle build is complete, so I click this run button. You see, my emulator are ready to running. Here is my emulator. I suggest you always here you see my emulator not support this API. Okay, so close it. It takes some time. You see, it is installing. Okay, install is processing. So be patient and take some time. I always suggest you don't use emulator. Always use your mobile device because emulator are always time consuming and your data consuming. You see, launch success. Okay. Always use mobile device because emulator take more time and your it slow your Android Studio project. If you don't use emulator, so your Android Studio project is be fast. I you see my app is run successfully. Okay. If this video solve your problem, subscribe this channel and like this video. Okay. Okay. If I help you, you help me to subscribe my channel and like this channel. Okay, bye. See you next video. You have any question, comment me. I definitely answer you.